Hello everybody, this is Anand Ramdu, present over here. Let's see why Manipur is burning today. What is the major consequences? What is the major reasons? So it directly come across from May 2023 onwards. So in the newspapers and the articles and the TV news, we are seeing what is the reason, major reason behind it. So let us focus. So up to now, 142 people have died and 310 people are injured, and 1700 houses are burned, and 60,000 people are refused. So what is the major reason behind this thing? What is the major conflict we are seeing in Manipur today? So let us see basically. So when you see the map of the Manipur, so when you see the map, so you will have the 10% here. There are two tribes. Okay, so one is Metis, and the 90% of the land is allocated to the Kugis and Nagas. So Kugis and Nagas. Okay. So what is the major problem? Because they having the 10% of land and they have 80% of land. So the major conflict between them is, so these people having Kugis and Nagas having the ST categories, and the most people these considered the Christianities. So they are converted to Christianity. The second, these 10% the land allocation to the Metis, these coming to the population 50% with these, and the 25% Kugis and 25% Nagas. So when you see these 50% people are living in the 10% of the land of the whole Manipur. So what is the major problem? These Metis belongs to the Hindu and general OBC category. So what is the major problem? What is the major conflict we are seeing? So majorly when you see the comparison between the both tribes, the Metis are well developed, economically well developed, because they are living in a plain land. Okay, so they can access the good health care facilities and the good education facilities and well road, and why not all. But when you see comparison between those people who are living in the hill region, so coming to Kugis and Nagas, but those who have the 90% of land. But when you see the hill region, how the hill regions are there, so there is no proper land, there is no proper roads, and there is no proper well education, well health care facilities. So they are economically less developed. So this is a major difference between them. So what is a major conflict we are seeing from 2023 May 4th, May 3rd onwards? So when you see, so according to the article 371C, those people who are living in the hilly regions are considered as STs. Because what is the reasons they are considered as STs? So Lokur committee of 1965 has said some principles are there. What are the major principles? There are 5 principles. To consider one group of people as an ST, so they should be Adivasis, and they should have some different culture, and they should be